Hello friends, welcome to the SpaceX quiz. This quiz consists of 7 questions. First question: Musk cited difficulty with Los Angeles traffic and limitations with the current two-dimensional transportation network as his early inspiration for this project. The company was initially formed in December 2016 as a subsidiary of SpaceX, becoming a separate and fully independent company in 2018. The first three machines used by the company are Godot, Limestone, and Prufrock. Identify the company. Answer: The Boring Company, also known as TBC. This is an American infrastructure and tunnel construction service company founded by Elon Musk in December 2016. Second question: SpaceX became the first private company to launch an object into the orbit around the Sun using its Falcon Heavy rocket test flight in 2018. What was the dummy payload and who was in the driver's seat? Answer: The payload was Tesla Roadster, the electric sports car of the Tesla. It acted as the dummy payload for the February 2018 Falcon Heavy test flight and became an artificial satellite of the Sun. And in the driver's seat, there was Starman, a mannequin dressed in a spacesuit. The car and the rocket both are the products of the Tesla and the SpaceX, both companies founded by Elon Musk. Third question: in January 2020, with the third launch of this project, SpaceX became the largest commercial satellite constellation operator in the world. The planned large number of satellites has met with criticism from the astronomical community because of concerns for light pollution. Which project am I talking about? Answer: Starlink project. It is a satellite constellation being constructed by SpaceX to provide satellite internet access. Question number 4. The names of these two SpaceX products are derived from a species of North American falcons. One of the subcomponents of both these products is of spindle type and was first used in the Apollo program for the lunar module. One of these products is still in use in Falcon rocket while the other product is no longer produced. Which products of SpaceX am I talking about? Answer: Merlin and Kestrel engines, named after the North American Falcon species. These are the main engines used in the Falcon rockets. Kestrel engine is no longer produced. Falcon 9 rocket uses 9 Merlin engines in its first stage. Question number 5. They are named after two General Contact Units spaceships commanded by autonomous artificial intelligences that appear in The Player of Games, a cultural novel by Lane M. Banks. Together they created a paradigm shift in the traditional approach of their functionality. A third one called a shortfall of gravitas is in pipeline. It is a dynamic restricted area ever approved by the US GARD, a first of its kind. What am I talking about? Answer is the SpaceX recovery ship. Of course, I still love you and just read the instructions. These ships are used to recover Falcon rockets so that they can be reused again. Sixth question: how many Merlin rocket engines does Falcon Heavy rocket use in its first stage? Option A 7 rocket engines, Option B 22 rocket engines, option C 9 rocket engines, or is it 27 rocket engines? Answer: Falcon Heavy rocket uses 27 engines in the first stage. It is like 3 Falcon 9 rockets standing parallel. Seventh and the last question: SpaceX Dragon spacecraft is named after which fictional character? Answer: the Dragon is named after the fictional Puff the Magic Dragon from the hit song by the music group Peter, Paul and Mary. Thank you for attending the quiz. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more quiz videos, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.